Imagine you're playing a game of cosmic marbles. You fire them through two slits and they land exactly where you'd expect, two straight lines. Simple, right? This is the world we know, the world of big things like chairs, coffee, and humans. But when we shrink down to the size of an atom, the rules of reality don't just change, they break. Welcome to the Double-Slit Experiment, the most beautiful and, frankly, most annoying mystery in physics. Now, instead of marbles, imagine waves of water. When a wave hits those two slits, it passes through both, interferes with itself, and creates a striped pattern on the wall. This is what light and electrons do too. According to research published in Nature, even individual particles act like waves of probability, existing in multiple places at once. They aren't things yet, they are just ripples in the fabric of what could happen.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Is where it gets weird and a little bit creepy. Physicists decided to peek. They placed a detector to see which slit the particle actually goes through. The moment we look, the wave behavior vanishes. The particle decides to act like a solid marble again. It's called the observer effect. By simply measuring the system, we force the universe to pick a side. It's as if the particle knows it's being watched and decides to stop fooling around. Why does this happen? The Copenhagen interpretation suggests that observation collapses the wave function. Before you look, the particle is a mathematical cloud of possibilities. Your observation is what turns that math into reality. As Richard Feynman famously said in The Character of Physical Law, this is a phenomenon which is impossible to explain in any classical way. It suggests that at the deepest level, the universe isn't made of stuff, but of information and choices. Does this mean consciousness creates reality, or is it just the physical interaction of the camera? Scientists are still debating that today. It forces us to ask, if no one is looking at the moon, is it really there? Quantum mechanics says the answer isn't as obvious as you think. What do you believe? Is reality fixed, or are we building it as we go? Let me know your theories in the comments. I promise I'm watching.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.